The News Hour Special Edition.
Here's a dramatic political flashpoint has erupted in West Bengal after Trinamool Congress MP Abhishek Banerjee faced a hostile crowd today. Visuals show Abhishek Banerjee being heckled, eggs being thrown at him and his shirt being torn amid this chaos. The TMC leader has alleged that the incident was a pre-planned attempt on his life and has sought the attention of constitutional authorities. The Trinamool Congress and several opposition leaders have blamed the BJP, calling it part of a larger pattern of political intimidation. The BJP, though, has rejected the charge and claims that the incident reflects growing public anger against the ruling party in Bengal. The big question tonight is this a serious security lapse involving a senior political leader or a manifestation of public rage spilling onto the streets?
All BJP sponsored. अब देखिए क्या हाल किया गया है। यह है इनका लोकतंत्र का नमूना। एक महीना हुआ नहीं। शरीर को आप गिरा दोगे। इरादे मजबूत और बुलंद है। जोश जज्बा जुनून अभी भी है और ये सर झुकने वाला नहीं है, चाहे वो कितना ताकत लगा ले। They want to kill me. এরা আমাদের প্রাণে মারতে চায়। মেরে দিক আমার মৃতদেহ উদ্ধার হোক এখান থেকে, কিন্তু আমি জায়গা ছেড়ে যাব না। আমি হাইকোর্টের দৃষ্টি আকর্ষণ করছি, আমি রাজ্যপালের দৃষ্টি আকর্ষণ করছি কি বাংলার পরিস্থিতি। এখানে প্রায় 50 জন সংবাদ মাধ্যমের প্রতিনিধিরা রয়েছে, দরজা ভাঙার চেষ্টা করছে, পুলিশের একটা লোক নেই। কি পরিস্থিতি হয়েছে আপনারা দেখুন। I will definitely move to court.
मैं जनता से अपील करूंगा कि लॉ एंड ऑर्डर को अपने हाथ में ना ले। ये पता है हमें भी कि तृणमूल कांग्रेस के खिलाफ, स्पेशली अभिषेक बनर्जी के खिलाफ बंगाल की जनता के मन में बहुत ज्यादा आक्रोश है, क्योंकि वो जब पावर में थे, जिस लहजे से जनता के साथ, आम आदमियों के साथ बात करते थे, जिस तरीके से उन्होंने बीजेपी के कार्यकर्ताओं के साथ, आम जनता के साथ, बीजेपी के सांसद, मेरे ऊपर जिस तरीके से और बहुत सारे हमारे नेताओं के ऊपर जिस तरीके की अटैक्स हुए हैं, उनके समय बंगाल की जनता ने देखा है, उसका आक्रोश है।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी का ये कोई कार्यक्रम में नहीं था। तृणमूल कांग्रेस का क्या वर्ताव था, क्या आचरण था उसका पिछले 15 साल में उन लोगों को मालूम है। अभी जिस जनता को वो लोग घर से निकाल दिया गया, जिसको पीटा गया, मारा गया, जिस परिवार में बलात्कार हुआ था, वो लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो तो प्रशासन इसके ऊपर बात कर सकते हैं, पुलिस को देखना चाहिए। और तृणमूल कांग्रेस का कोई नैतिक या राजनीतिक अधिकार नहीं इसके ऊपर कोई टिप्पणी करना।
इतने साल तक जो ये लोग भय वाली राजनीति चलाते रहे, आज समाज भय मुक्त है और अपना गुस्सा प्रकट कर रहा है।
Sanju Verma, national spokesperson of the BJP, says with us. Manav Jaiswal, national spokesperson of the TMC, joining us on the broadcast. And Sanju Verma, Mamata Banerjee says rulers have become killers. Shame on the BJP. Abhishek Banerjee says that this was a murderous attack, that this was an attempt to kill him.
You know, Pratibha, first and foremost, I want to make one thing very clear. The BJP does not endorse any form of violence or vigilantism, irrespective of differences with the opposition on political ideology. Having said that, I want your audience to listen to this post on X, posted on the 2nd of May 2026 by Abhishek Banerjee. 10 lifetimes won't be enough for your Bangla Birodhi Gujarati gang and their stooge Gyanesh Kumar to put even a dent in my Diamond Harbour model. Bring everything you have got. I challenge the entire Union of India. Come to Falta. Send your strongest. Send one of the godfathers from Delhi. If you have got the nerve, contest in Falta. 2 मई को ये पोस्ट किया था अभिषेक बैनर्जी ने एक्स पर। अरे अभिषेक बैनर्जी, 4 मई को डायमंड हार्बर मॉडल, फाल्टा मॉडल, टीएमसी का जो जंगल राज का मॉडल है, सबकी जनता ने धज्जियां उड़ा दी। तहस नहस हो गया टीएमसी का मॉडल। नाउ लेट मी कम टू द मूट पॉइंट। दे से जनता का जोश, जनता का जज्बा और जनता का जुनून, इस जुनून के सामने, जज्बे के सामने अच्छों की हेंकड़ी निकल जाती है। इट इज एन आउटपोरिंग ऑफ ग्रीफ, आउटपोरिंग ऑफ एंगर, outpouring of 15 years of being left high and dry, which is what is manifesting itself
Okay.
in terms of anger against Abhishek Banerjee by the commoner in West Bengal, who felt for the last 15 years the TMC fattened its kitty. TMC members of parliament, MLAs, इन सब ने जनता को उल्लू बनाया और खुद शान से रहते रहे अपने बड़े बड़े बंगलों में. आज जब जनता आक्रोश से भरी सड़कों पर उतर आई है, so Abhishek Banerjee is saying, oh, he's pretending to be holier than thou. Go to court.
Okay.
कोर्ट जाइए, रोना धोना बंद करिए नेशनल टेलीविजन पर.
But
and don't
Sanju
make
Verma,
incentives
but Sanju Verma, it was the
of
BJP
social
that said that this will be Bhaymukt Bengal, and now it is your government in power. And you know the question is, where are the police officials? This is an elected MP. He visited a spot and he was attacked. Is the BJP now normalizing this by saying that this is just public anger? Are you emboldening such attacks?
No, Pratibha, not at all. I started by saying BJP does not endorse violence. And if you look at the social media reels, if you read what the local vernacular media in Bengal is saying, they are saying, thank God the police was very alert. They hurdled away Abhishek Banerjee to safety. He was escorted by policemen. वहाँ पुलिस नहीं होती
No, you're
तो पता
lying,
नहीं
Sanju.
अभिषेक बैनर्जी का क्या हाल होता. So law and order failed under Mamata Banerjee. Law and order is alive and kicking under Suvendu Adhikari. इसलिए अभिषेक बैनर्जी को मौत के घाट नहीं उतरना पड़ा.
मानव
Do you
जायसवाल?
remember Abhijit Sarkar? Do you remember Shobha Rani Mandal? Do you remember Ganesh Ray? Do you remember Radharani Sikdar? Do you remember Manish Shukla? These were BJP workers who were found hanging from a tree. And Mamata Banerjee said, "Hua to hua." We are not saying "hua to hua." We are saying the law will prevail, but let Abhishek Banerjee not play the victim card, because he is not the victim here. He has been a perpetrator for 15 years. The Janta is only showing him the mirror.
Okay, Manav Jaiswal, respond to that. BJP says that this is a taste of his own medicine because the people are angry with the TMC and this is public anger.
First of all, I need BJP to apologize to the public of Bengal, to the people of Bengal. These are definitely not the culture of Bengal. These are not the people who would come and attack someone. These are not the people of Bengal who would do such kind of hooliganism. These are BJP's Karyakarta. And minimum, BJP should apologize to the Karyakartas as well, because they have disowned them in this hooliganism, this barbarism. I would like to add one more thing. As Ms. Sanju Verma is there on the television, ma'am, this is not theatre. Your theatrics have been there. Today, what you have called People's Rage is actually BJP's stage. It's not People's Rage. It's BJP's stage. Now listen me out. Listen me out. Listen me out, dear lady. Listen me out. When you have told about law and order, when you've been talking about law and order, she said there was a policeman. There were two police officers who are the security personnel of Mr. Abhishek Banerjee, who is the
But
MP.
Manav Jaiswal, you'd remember the BJP MP Khagen Murmu as well, who was seen bleeding. He was attacked.
Listen,
Back then the BJP had also said it is the TMC. What happened to the culture of Bengal then?
Pratibha, please. Don't try to balance this. Do not do that. What has happened today is sheer barbarism. It's a law and order failure, or it is a state failure. You have to understand one more thing. BJP candidates, BJP MLAs, BJP leaders have been always escorted by central forces while in Bengal, because BJP was in central force. BJP is in center. They have always had the caliber of the central forces.
But Bengal has seen that violence. And I just want to tell you, since you are raising these questions on the BJP, your one-time ally, the Congress party, has also said this. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary has said the culture that these people have created in Bengal, now they themselves are becoming the victims. Earlier, Gundaism was done by the TMC, and now they are facing it. It's not the BJP now. It is the Congress party that's saying this.
Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary has a burned political career. So he will have to shout, he has to be loud, and he has been a technical spokesperson of the BJP. Well, who is he fighting? Is he fighting the BJP or is he fighting the TMC? He has to first assess that. Now I need to add one more important thing. These people, the BJP, are they so so oxymoron people who are so skeptical about their own identity.
Okay.
What they've been doing, they've been telling about the Bengal. First, they need to apologize to the people of Bengal. These are not people of Bengal. These are definitely not the people of Bengal. This is not a Bengal culture. This
Okay,
is a
okay, Sanju
political-
Verma, this is not the culture of Bengal, and these are not people from Bengal. It's an orchestrated attack. In fact, even Abhishek Banerjee has said that people had been waiting to attack him, and this was a murderous attack.
To the people of Bengal.
You know, 2022, Enforcement Directorate attacked in Birbhum. Mamta Banerjee said, hua to hua. Jadavpur University, CBI was attacked by TMC goons on the premises of the university. Mamta Banerjee said, hua to hua. South 24 Parganas, Sukanta Majumdar was attacked and the police constabulary was mute spectator. And Mamta Banerjee said, hua to hua, this is just drama by Sukanta Majumdar. And don't forget, 5 years back in Diamond Harbour, JP Nadda's cavalcade was attacked, his car was vandalized. Mamta Banerjee said, JP Nadda is lying, hua to hua. And she called him Nadda, Fadda, Chadda. So Mamta Banerjee accusing the BJP is like the pot calling the kettle black. And let me tell you one more thing. Do you remember recently Mahua Moitra was on a flight? And while I don't condone this behavior, those were not BJP members. Ordinary Janta said, Pishi chor, Bhaipo chor, TMC chor. Bhai Janta ka gussa hai. Wake up and smell the coffee. People have abandoned TMC. They've had enough. Wake up and smell
This
the
is the
coffee.
fate of Bengal. That we have the most corrupt
But isn't there where BJP came in saying or promising that there will be a change? Isn't that where BJP comes in as well? Stay with us. We have some breaking updates coming in. While Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary may have said that, we have a response coming in from Rahul Gandhi. He has taken to social media X and has launched a scathing attack on the BJP over the attack on the TMC MP Abhishek Banerjee. Rahul Gandhi says, and I'm quoting from his tweet, the attack on Abhishek Banerjee is utterly reprehensible. An attack on a member of parliament is not merely an assault on one individual. It is an assault on the very people who elected him and on the democracy that is our shared legacy. This is the ugly face of the BJP's politics of revenge. Political differences can never justify violence. The central government and the West Bengal government must take immediate action against the perpetrator. So, Sanju Verma, now Rahul Gandhi has come in as well, and he says that this is politics of revenge by the BJP.
Pratibha, I'm so glad you're asking me this question. Rahul Gandhi has a habit of putting his foot into his mouth. Less than 72 hours back, the Enforcement Directorate went to Kerala to conduct an investigation into the scam of Veena Vijayan, the daughter of Pinarayi Vijayan. V.D. Satishan of Congress is the Chief Minister and the de facto Home Minister of Kerala. The Enforcement Directorate officials were attacked. Their car was vandalized. Rahul Gandhi ke muh mein tab dahi jam gaya. Priyanka Vadra, who's a member of parliament from Wayanad, uske muh mein dahi jam gaya. Where was Rahul Gandhi when Mahua Moitra in the run-up to assembly elections in Bengal said Amit Shah's head should be chopped and served on a platter to Bangladeshis? Matlab, an MP called Mahua Moitra openly intimidates and threatens the sitting Home Minister, and Rahul Gandhi says, Wajiva. And today, Rahul Gandhi has crocodile tears for Abhishek Banerjee. Rahul Gandhi, ye dramebazi band kariye.
I object.
Rahul Gandhi, ye dramebazi kripya karke band kariye.
Okay, Manav Jaiswal wants to respond.
Theatricism is Sanju Verma is very evident, pan all the channels. She has to answer one thing. Law and order is your subject or you're a failure. And you have to apologize to the people of Bengal. People, these hooligans, they are not people of Bengal. This is not Bhadralok culture. These are your political people. At least you
And
should
Sanju
also
Verma,
apologize.
you're raising questions on the V.D. Satishan government in Kerala on the attack on ED officials. How is it that the police officials of Bengal get absolved by calling this just anger of the people? If you're raising questions in Kerala, then it is the same questions that will be raised on you in West Bengal. Even there, the police officials will be held responsible.
The police is responsible. Thank God for Suvendu Adhikari. I repeat, that is why you saw Abhishek Banerjee being escorted safely. If you look at even the social media videos that are viral, Abhishek Banerjee is being escorted to a safe place by the police, which reports into Suvendu Adhikari. That TMC telling
it all these on the channel.
Adhikari would not have lived to see the light of the day.
Pratibha.
That
Okay.
TMC comes to power. Suvendu Adhikari would not have lived to see the light of
Okay, let Manav Jaiswal respond.
Pratibha, time, like when I was a kid, okay, and she was the one who was talking about Suvendu Adhikari just few years back. The chore, Suvendu chore, Mukul chore. Now he's your CM. Sanju, now you do another theatrics. Tell the world, no, he is not taking the money. Modi ji was lying. He was not taking the money. ऐसे पैसा ले लिया. Sanju, please do another theatrics, Sanju.
Okay, tell you political, that way we have seen many changes, political allegiances changing. But you're saying that it is the police officials who are responsible. The BJP continuing to say that BJP has nothing to do with this. This is only public anger. Of course, the issue doesn't end there. We are going to see a lot more political reactions come in as well, with Abhishek Banerjee even saying that he will be going to court regarding this. And we're keeping a track of that. I'm thanking both Sanju Verma as well as Manav Jaiswal for joining us on the debate.